Eating a huge bowl of salad like this one is healthy. Why? Because a bowl of salad like this contains essential minerals, nutrients, and vitamins that our bodies need to thrive. But what you chose to dress your salad with can turn your healthy bowl of salad into a calorie bomb. I am talking about your store-bought salad dressing. On today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 4 healthy, homemade, easy to whip up and delicious salad dressing options that you can put together pretty quickly with just your pantry essentials. You don't want to miss this video. Hi beautiful person watching this video, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Bernadette if this is your first time seeing me, and thank you so much for watching this video. On today's episode of Cooking with Bena, I am going to be sharing with you my absolutely favorite homemade salad dressings that are easy to put together. So guys, I'm going to show you how I put all these salad dressings right here together. So we have here this cilantro, ginger, and lime dressing. This is absolutely the star of the day. We have this lemon vinaigrette right here. That's like an all-purpose vinaigrette. We have this classic balsamic vinaigrette right here. And we have this one that kind of doubles up like a dip slash salad dressing. I made it today to be like a dip, but if you want to use it as a salad dressing, you just need to add more water and make it lighter. And yeah, we have some fresh veggie that we're going to be munching with it. I will highly recommend you make your own salad dressings at home, guys, because when you do that, you can control what goes inside of your dressings. Now, the ones that we buy at the store, most often they will come with more calories. They would have like preservatives because they stay on the shelf. They would have sugars, sodium that we really don't need. And so when you make your own dressing, you control exactly what goes into it. And you also want to be creative with making salad dressing, because there's no one size fit all. Everyone has their own taste buds. You want to adjust it to suit you and your family's taste buds. So really encourage you to get creative about it and really, you know, whip up something to really complete your healthy bowl of salad with a classic nice dressing as well. Our first dressing, guys, will be the cilantro, lime, ginger dressing. Now, cilantro is going to be the star of this dressing. And the one thing that I really love about this salad dressing is that it has a little bit of everything. It has some spicy from the herbs and the jalapeno. It has some tangy from the lime, and it has a little bit of sweetness from the honey. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients, and I'm also going to put them in my description box, and then we can put this together. Now we'll need half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now this is a trick with your lime juice. Sometimes it's hard to extract juice from your lime. So what I did was I put it in my microwave for about 10 seconds. And then when you take it out, just rub it in between your palms like this. It's going to really extract the maximum amount of juice from your lime as possible. We also need 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. We'll need half a cup of scallion or green onion. We will need 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm using this organic Naturoni, and you can adjust your sweetness as you desire. And we'll also need salt and pepper to taste. We'll need half a cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Now guys, if you're buying your fruits and vegetables that are not organic, always make sure that you really wash them down thoroughly. I use even white vinegar to put in the water and really wash them down thoroughly into it because of the pesticides on. And we'll also need half a cup of avocado oil. Now usually I use extra virgin olive oil in my salad dressing, but because this dressing has cilantro in it. We needed a neutral oil that's not overpowering. So I'm going to put all of the ingredients in the blender and blend them up, and we'll see how that looks like. So guys, our first dressing is all blended up and tastes so yummy. This is the cilantro, lime, ginger dressing. I'm gonna pour it in here so you see exactly how it looks. It tastes absolutely delicious, guys. Like, you really want to try this salad and just this dressing, and just let me know what you think about it. Like I mentioned before, the good thing about making your own dressing is that you get to adjust it to suit your taste buds. Our second salad dressing option is going to be the classic vinaigrette. And I'm just going to walk you through the ingredients, and then we can whip this up together really quick. So we'll need half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now, when it comes to making your salad dressing, guys, always try to use heart-healthy oils like olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, you know, like those oils that are really great, that have healthy fats in them. We'll need 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We'll need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We'll need 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We'll need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 to 3, really depending on how sweet you want it to be. We'll need salt and pepper to taste. Here's the pepper right here. Black pepper, freshly ground, and I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. It is also a healthy option that contains less sodium, just so you know. And we'll also need 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mince them in here. Now, this one we are not going to be blending, so we're just gonna put all the ingredients in this bottle right here, and we will shake to mix them all together. So guys, our vinaigrette dressing is good to go. You want to make sure that you really shake this properly so it really mixes up the ingredients. So you can see the chopped parsley, the minced garlic right in there. It just tastes absolutely delicious. So guys, our third salad dressing is going to be this lemon vinaigrette dressing. Lemon is going to be the star of this dressing, and this is kind of like an all-purpose dressing. I remember when I started eating healthy, eating salads, this dressing was my #1 go-to. Like, basically I would use it all the time on my salads. So I'm going to walk you through the ingredients, and then we can put this one together really quickly. So we'll need 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So this is freshly squeezed, guys. Always try to do your lemon fresh. Really avoid buying the lemon juice in the store because it has preservative in them, so we don't want that. So this was about 1.5 lemons that gave me this juice in there. We will need 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil once more. We will need our salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. We will need about 2 tablespoons of honey. It really depends on you guys. If you want it a little bit sweeter, just add it to suit your taste buds. We will need 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to mince them right in there. We will need about 1/2 teaspoon of zest from lemon, and we will need about 1 teaspoon of chopped cilantro, fresh chopped cilantro. Once more, we don't need to blend anything. We're just gonna put all the ingredients in this bottle and just shake them like I did with the dressing #2, and we are good to go. So guys, our lemon vinaigrette dressing, it's all good to go. Like I said, you just close all the ingredients in this container, and you just shake it really hard to mix all the ingredients together. You adjust your salt and your pepper to taste. This tastes absolutely delicious and a very healthy option to go on all your salads. Now this final recipe that I'm about to share, guys, this one doubles up as a dip / salad dressing, and cashews are the star of this recipe. I will walk you through the ingredients and then we can start putting them together. Now once more, we're gonna need our blender because we need to blend all the ingredients together. So if you really struggle with eating your fresh crunchy veggies like your carrots, your cucumber, your cherry tomatoes, your sweet bell peppers, I would absolutely recommend you try this dip. And if you want to use it as a salad dressing, then you just need to make it a little bit lighter. So in this case, I'm going to make it a little bit thick because it will be a dip for us. So we will need 1 cup of soaked cashews. So I soaked them up for 4 hours. You really want to soak up your cashews because then you get the maximum nutrients out of them when you eat them. And if you don't like cashews, you can always replace them with almonds, you can replace them with pine nuts, you can replace them with peanuts, whichever nuts you prefer, guys. Whatever rocks your boat, go for it. We will need 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna mince them. We will need half red bell peppers. This bell pepper is gonna give this dip an attitude. I mean, you know, that color will look more like a French kind of dressing. We will need our salt and pepper to taste. We will need about half a cup of lemon juice. This is going to be about 1.5 to 2 fresh lemon juice squeezed. We will need half a cup of cilantro, and we will need water. So I have here 1 cup of water. Really, you can really start with half cup and see how it goes. Depending on the consistency that you want, you start with half a cup and then you can work your way slowly up. I am also gonna add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I want it spicy, a little bit spicy to kick. And again, this is optional, the cayenne pepper. If you don't want it spicy, yeah, you can just get creative with this. So guys, our dip, it's now all ready to go. Like I mentioned before, here's the consistency. You can see, like, if you want to really munch on your fresh crunchy veggies like this carrot, tastes amazing. Now guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also share this video, your family or your friends, they might need it. Let me know in the comment section what you think, which one you're going to try or which one you're already using on your salads. I would recommend you guys make your own salad dressings at home. That way you control what goes in it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't forget. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. And please do not forget to stay hydrated. Drink as much water as you can. Also, try to eat the rainbow as much as you can so you can keep boosting that immune system. Thank you once again for watching, and I can't wait to munch on this bowl of salad that I have here, and my kids are waiting to munch on this crunchy fresh veggies. Thank you. Much love to you all, and bye-bye.